That bumblebee.
It didn't happen. Jeez, a lot of wires in that, wasn't there?
There was a lot of...
Just turn the ignition and see what it starts.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Dub Monkey Garage. On today's episode, we're going to be checking out my dad's Impreza. So today on the Impreza, we're going to be removing the boot and the bonnet and the spoiler, and then we're going to prep it for spraying. So we're going to change the color of the car, so it's full silver at the moment, and we're going to go for a full respray job on the car. I'm going to leave you in the capable hands of my dad, Trevor, and he's going to strip apart the car. It's going to look awesome. Let's go. What's the story, guys? So far we've managed, to take a bonnet, boot lid off the car and a spoiler off it. We started doing some preparation on that just to make sure to get it right. You have to get it right the first time to get a nice finish. And then the next thing is we're gonna get the doors off the Subaru. We're gonna remove them, and that's gonna be another day of prepping. Hey guys, what's up? Day 2 of the Impreza build. So today we're going to be stripping off the doors. The lads were here working all last night. They got the bonnet, the boot and the spoiler done. So that looks absolutely amazing. Looks fantastic. And now we're going to strip off the doors and we're going to do them next. Let's get to it. Now, so as you can see, we have both of the front doors off the car. Actually wasn't that hard, we time-lapsed a lot of it just so we could figure out what we were doing. And you've probably never seen the inside of it anyway. You have the nice Pro Drive seats in it, quick release steering wheel, and this is the 94 one, so it has the 94 interior. I think it's absolutely lovely. Class car. And this is how the bonnet, the brand new scoop, which is so much bigger than the old one, the vent on the boot is looking at the moment. Hi guys, it's pretty dark outside again. We started late today. Well, I'm only here, the lads are at this for how long? 12. Since 12. And it's now like 6. Wow. 7. It takes time anyway, but the good news is all the other parts that you've seen yesterday, they're done, ready to rock. Now we're on to the second door. The guys are just sanding it down, prepping it all nicely, so it's going to be nice and silky, when it's done.
I'm finna jump for this shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture.
Why is that?
What is that? We went from stripping the car to what the fuck is all the wires out for? What the fuck? There's the ECU, like what the fuck's happening?
I've no idea.
How'd you manage this? What the fuck? Jesus.
Oh Jesus Christ. But you know, the whole thing is supposed to be an easy job, right? We start the whole thing, you know, easy job, took a few bits off the car, you know, and spray. But guys, this is turning into the full-blown rebuild of the car.
No,
literally,
no
full-blown rebuild.
What all that shit
The
is.
ECU, it's out.
He's
It's
just
gone.
snipping everything. What was that blue one you just snipped?
I don't know, but I want it. Look.
That was actually the main fucking part. That was probably, do you know what that was? That was the main fucking thing that goes into the battery. He kept all the small ones, got rid of all the thick wires, you know.
Yeah, yeah. They're thick, they must be not important.
Yeah, oh, I should have snipped that one, sure, you know. And you was worried about the little fucking antenna we were getting out of there.
Bastard broke me wind deflectors.
Rim deflectors.
Rim deflectors.
Wind.
Rim deflectors.
There'll be wind around here in a minute.
I don't know what that black wire is. Can we figure out what that is?
No, we don't even know what you pulled out a minute ago.
Worried. I'm a bit worried here.
Oh, you bastard. Oh, you bastard. Oh, you bastard. Now, that's belonged to the doors.
You little girl, yeah.
That's all belonged to the doors.
Aye.
That, I don't know what it's belonged to. Fuck it, cut it.
Oh. Oh my god. See if that car still starts.
I don't think it will.
I don't think
That could be the whole, like, yeah, man, to put a full alarm system in it and you're just stripping everything. Like, yeah, man, would be like, what's wrong with you? You come.
1,500 out the door. Oh lord.
What the fuck,
Actually, that
man?
is a different wire.
Oh, no.
Why is that wire? That's a sham there.
That was a bit too late.
You know what they say? You don't see it, it didn't happen. Jeez, a lot of wires in that, wasn't there?
There was a lot of...
Just turn the ignition and see what it starts.
Yeah, just make sure.
Where's the keys? No,
Have a look. Have a
Where's the
look.
keys?
wait,
Give me the keys, give me the keys.
I don't know where they are.
They're not here anyways, give me the keys.
No, you gotta check that out because I'll piss myself laughing if that thing doesn't start now.
We saw the fucking funny.
You'll be fucking running to get that fucking wire quick. You'll be sellotaping the fucking thing around to get it back working. Here, that's cool.
Sorry.
Nah, the start all like she's a fucking beauty.
Well,
She's a
you
jap.
with no power. Oh,
Yeah, there we go. Me little Mary.
ignition fucking wire. Snip, snip. Oh, this is now it's working. Wow.
That's for that radio that's in there. I have a bit of mucus on that.
Doesn't work now.
Yeah, it does. It's just been a vagina. There you go. Listen.
Oh,
Oh, it's getting wet.
Yeah, it's getting wet. It needs a minute.
How do you do this? How do you take them things off?
Oh, we get them off in a minute. Just that. Angle grinder.
bit of hammer.
Angle grinder.
Yeah, a bit of hammer would be fine. Is that a bumblebee? He's a mad cunt. Get nothing left on it except for the front bumper. We couldn't get that off some reason. Don't know what the story is there. Looks mad though. We've never gotten a car this far down before. You're being very careful for someone with nothing left in it.
This is strange as fuck. Jesus lads, I drove through Tallinn. Look at that bastard stuck to me car. I didn't even stop. Look at them teeming cunts in that Tallinn thing.
So guys, we're nearing the end of day 3 now. You can see behind me, Subaru bumpers, doors, everything. All the door panels, all the lights, everything. Hey guys, back at day 4 now. We're just fitting up the big scoop on the bonnet here, just out in a bit of daylight. Trevor has lined up the lines for it where we're gonna cut. We got some nice tiger seal to seal it all up. And as far as I know, we're gonna isopan it all up and make it fit really nice. We're also gonna time lapse getting the garage ready. We're gonna hang up some of the stuff and make sure everything can fit for when our sprayer comes in to do the job. How sick does this thing look? Huge. So much better. You know you're doing this on a budget when you use a candle to burn the end of your ropes.
No, it's just freezing cold in this shed. Trying to heat it up.
Trying to heat up his fingers. You know, he's freezing. Look at that.
So we're just hanging the ropes up here, guys. We're gonna hang all the body panels out of it, just so when we get the sprayer in to do the job, that he can get around everything nicely and everything's nicely hung up, instead of having to come back a different day and spray the bottoms of them and just all that shit.
Yeah, man. The plan is just to have it all done, you know, all the body panels good in the day. Yeah. And then I think probably the car with the rest of it should be sprayed the next day.
Don't touch the end of that.
And then it would take about 2 more weeks to put a car together, so stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Don't have to remind you. Just hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. And the other small ones you have there.
Little fishy. Little fishy.
75 is halfway, so that's a half mark right there.
70. That's half mark.
70 is 140, sorry, 70 is 140, that's there.
Oh.
So how does that look to you?
It's perfectly perfect. It's literally right there. That's half in it.
Yeah.
On the camera as well, it looks well.
Yeah.
It looks about right.
Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to lift it off, and that's the space we left it underneath.
So you already did that part.
Yeah.
You're just making sure by air eyes as well.
So
that
just want to cut this bit out the best I can, small bit, yeah.
Okay.
But I want to leave a good bit on the inside of it. So maybe just a square to here, and then square to here, and then square it off, and that's it.
just to tidy it up a bit.
Yeah,
are you gonna get the Are you gonna get the mesh for the inside of the scoop here?
Yeah. After it's all sprayed.
So guys, this is the scoop all finished up. It has the tiger seal the whole way around. We just rubbed it with a bit of water and got the excess off. But it looks unreal. We're just gonna leave it to set over 24 hours now.
Hey Evan, there is a monkey in the garage.
What's the matter? The cabbage. So wait until you see, Lukey. This is the best feature of a 1994 Impreza, right?
Okay.
Go on, come sit with me. Come sit with me.
No, do the same.
Hold on, get underneath there. Alright, so we are doing some radio stuff in here, so ignore that, right?
Okay.
But watch this. Ready? I'm about to blow your mind.
We found this when we were pulling out the radio.
Did you even knew that I was there?
We couldn't get the radio, it was in the way. We pulled it out, it was a cup holder. We drove all the way back from the UK with the cups in between our legs.
Yeah, we had them down
I
here.
didn't know you had that. Oh my god.
How cool is that? That's the most Jap thing you can get. Like,
that's a German thing.
it pulls out your radio. Oh my god. That is class. It's savage, isn't it?
Some job putting this back together.
That would be brilliant. I can't wait.
And you're gonna have new radios and all of it, like. It's gonna be
Some
sick.
bleeding job.
Why did you just pull the radio out, if you don't mind me asking?
Getting a new one.
You getting a new one?
Yeah.
What are you gonna get?
Don't know yet.
Are you gonna get like the
big one, full
screen one?
Yeah.
I was saying double din. He didn't think it'd fit, but I got him to rip everything out to just
And it
prove
fits,
that
yeah?
it fits. Yeah, double din would fit in there, like.
Wow.
We
Yeah.
have speakers in the back as well.
We are coming to the end of today's episode. We've finished up all of the body parts. They're all finished and complete. All sorted. We fitted the scoop. Everything is sanded down and ready to go. The next job is paint. So that is it for today's video. Make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, just so you don't miss the next episode when we spray paint the car. It's gonna look absolutely amazing. Don't miss it. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.